Alrighty, rebuilding this little vacuum cleaner. I have no idea what I'm doing. That's the old part. These bushings went bad. I think I did that right. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I used to repair slot machines though when I was 30. Gaming machine, like poker and mechanical. They called it electromechanical. Pull the handle. Ding ding. Chicka 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 chicka. Now they have that electronic sound. Kinda sucks, honestly. Yeah, they took the fun out of gambling too. Anyway, beautiful day. I hope it rains. Monsoon. I think it's gonna rain. Probably not. If it rains. 40 days and 40 nights. Okay, not 40. How about if it rained 4 days and 4 nights? Maybe Lake Mead will fill up since they keep draining it. I miss you, kid. Every day.